Hello, welcome back. In this video we will hello, welcome back. In this video we will learn how to use a string or take input and string manipulation functions in the Java. So in Java, first of all, what is a string? A string is a collection of characters or set of characters is called a string. Not only character, it's maybe character, and it's maybe alphanumeric or a special character. Anything which is collection of any character is called a string. So here in Java, we can take the set of characters as character array also, but if we want to take the whole collection as a piece, then we will use a string. And in Java, a string is a class, so we will use the object of the string class that is already defined in the java.lang package. But since java.lang package is automatically imported in every Java program, so we will not explicitly import the java.lang package. So we will create the string class object, and then we can use so many string functions. There are so many several string functions you can use, but we will see some basic and some useful common useful string functions here. So let's go with the string. So I will create a string type of object. Mind you, since a string is the predefined class in Java, so first letter of the string will be always capital. So here I will create a object s1 equal to new. Now I will call the constructor of the string class. So here in string class, I hope you will be aware about the constructor of any class if you have little knowledge. Otherwise you can watch the video of the C++ or Java, and you can go to the class object and constructor destructor of the Java. So here we will call the constructor of the string class, and there are so many constructor of the string class. So we will see the all constructors one by one. So I will call here default constructor of the string, that is a string, and we will not pass any parameter in the string. So now we can store any string in s1. So let's store a string by equal operator or assignment operator. Here I will write hello. So hello is stored in the s. We can print the hello. S1. If we I will run this program. Here it says hello is printed. So hello is stored in the s1. So now our next so this is the default constructor of the string class. String class also has some parameterized constructor. So let's say the parameterized constructor of the string class. So I will make the another object s2 equal to, here I will call another constructor of the string class, and I will pass the a string as parameter. So we have already a string object, that is s1. So this is the again another constructor of a string class, and it takes the input as parameter as a string object. So s1 is a string object, you can see here, and s1 is passed as a parameter to the s2. So now s2 will also have the same value, that is hello, because the value hello will be passed to the s2. So let's print the value of s2, and it says hello 2 times. So this is the another string type of constructor, string class constructor. Now we will see another string s3 equal to new. Now here we can pass the any character type array, and it will convert the character type array into the string type object, and then it will return to the string object, that is s3. So first make a character type array. So let's create a character type array here, like ch equal to so it's a array. Then we can write here inside opening and closing curly brace. We can put the value here like a comma b this should be here comma c. So abc is stored in the character ch, and a will be at ch0, b will be at ch1, and c will be at ch2. So now we can pass this ch, that is character array, as a parameter to the string class object. So the abc will be now stored in s3. We can print the value of s3. So it's a print abc. So another string class constructor is string s4 equal to new string. We can pass the here byte code to the, or byte type data here to the string. So let's pass here 65 comma 66 comma 67 comma 68. So here you will notice and then you will find 65. Well, let's see the error. It says constructor is not on event. Sorry, we will have to pass it. Let's make an integer type of character. So here our next string type of constructor is it will take the input as stream of array of byte. So let's create a byte type of a string array. So we have named the array with AR. Now I will pass the initial value to the array, that is 65 comma 66 comma 67 comma 68. So here 65 is the ASCII code of capital A, 66 is the ASCII code of capital B, 67 is the ASCII code for capital C, and 68 is the ASCII code for capital D. So now we will create a string type of object like s4. Sorry, it's here space is needed. Now new string, and we can pass the AR as parameter to the string constructor. So here it will convert this ASCII code into the character, and then it will return those characters as a string to the s4. So here it will return the ABCD in capital uppercase. So we can print the value of s4 also. If I run this program, it says ABCD at last. So here these are the some constructor of the string that you can use in your program as per the requirement. Now let's go through some functions of the string. Okay, there are several functions in the string class, but some of them are really important, and some are the basic. So let's go to the string functions. So let's create at least two strings. So I will make a string s1 comma s2. We cannot create like this, so I will write a new string, and I will pass this string value hello. Okay, that's fine. Now first of all we will use a function that is caret function of the string class. Caret function extract any character from the any index value. Like if we want to know the if we want to print only L from this string, then we already know the index value of L is 0, 1 and 2. So we can extract only L in any character variable. So we will declare a character variable like C, and we can store in C s1 dot caret, and we can pass the parameter that is index value for the L. So here caret s1, so it will check the index value at the index value 2, since L is here, so it will return the L to the C. Now we can print the value of C. So I will write system dot out dot println C here. Now if we run this program, it says L here. Similarly, if we want to print the O, then we have to count the value of index value of O, that is 4. So we can write here 4, and it will now print O. So the using caret we can extract any character from the any specified character from the any string. So caret is very useful. Now let's move to the another function, and that is replace. So let's replace some string or some set of characters or characters in this string s1. So now if we want to replace hello L with small l with capital L, then we have to use replace function. But replace function, what does it? Returns the value as a string. So we can store these values in another string. So we need another string like s2 equal to new string, and let's now we can write s2 equal to s1 dot replace. Now here we will pass those part of a string those part of string and those set of characters which we want to replace. So we want to replace the L, then I will write here L, small l, and we want to replace the small l with capital L. So I will pass here capital L and put a semicolon here, and it says now it will replace all L with small l with capital L. So now let's print the system dot out dot println, and here I will print s2. So let's check the value of s2. It's now all L is replaced with small l is replaced with capital L. Similarly, you can replace a set of characters, like we want to replace the ELLO with I, so that hello becomes hi. So we have to pass here since we are now replacing more than one character, so we will put it in double quote, and we will write ELLO and replace this ELLO with I. So you can write I in double quote also or single quote also, because I is single character. So now I will run this. It says hi. We have already replaced the ELLO with I. You can store the value in the value of a string in that string itself. Like here we can write s1, and it will replace the s1's content, and it stores the same value in the s1 also. So we do not need another string to store the value, so we can replace it in s1 also. So that's a replace function in string class. And now we will move to the next function, that is to upper or to lower. So let's convert this hello. Since in hello h is already capital, but we can still convert all characters in upper. So let's write s1 equal to s1 dot to uppercase. Okay. Mind you, these functions are already predefined, so the since u is capital and c is capital, so whenever you use these functions, write in this way only. Okay, put semicolon and now print. So it should be print ln. Now here write s1. Okay, here we have changed the s1 as uppercase, and again we have stored in s1 only. You can store in another string, like in previous example we have done. Now see, hello is replaced, hello is in uppercase. Similarly we can change the string in lowercase also. So all we have to do this, we have to replace the function with lower. So now again look here, hello will be in uppercase, then hello again will be in lowercase. So first hello is in uppercase and then hello is in lowercase. So these are the two uppercase and two lowercase. Now very most important string function, that is length, and it's needed each and every time in the string manipulation. So let's see length function of the string class. So since length function returns an integer value, we need an integer value. So I have created int a. Now I will I will use the length function. So I will write s1 dot length. Sorry, it's a code hinting technique, and it will detect the functions automatically. Now a will contain the length of the s1, that is already we can count here 5. So if you print the value of a, print ln length of string equal to a. So it will print length of the string is equal to 5, because yeah, I have written, if you append this string, it will string as 19. So this is the length function of the string class. Now we will use some more functions of the string class that are important in the during the programming in Java. So let's go here. I will create another function, another string object s2 equal to new string. Okay, let's pass this value as hello. Sorry, hello should be in hello, and here so here we have declared two string objects, that is s1 and s2, and we have passed both the string as value hello. But in s1 we have passed hello in uppercase, and in s2 we have passed hello in lowercase. So literally for the computer, these two hellos is different, because it's in uppercase it has different ASCII code, and it is in lowercase it has different ASCII code. Since Java is not case sensitive, so it will treat this two as different. So now we can check the any string, or we can compare the string equality using functions like and we will use the if contrast with this is making contrast with equal or compare to. Let's do this in another way. We will create boolean b. Okay, and one more variable int a. So these are the two variables. We will use the two variables to use equal and compare to functions of the string class. Here let's first see equal to function. So equal, since equal to returns a true or false, means logical true or false, means boolean value. So we will store these values in boolean variable, that is b equal to s1 dot equal to, sorry, equals, not equal to, equals s2. Now equals function will compare these two, s1 and s2, that string, that is hello in uppercase and hello in lowercase, and literally both are not equal, so it will return b false. Now check the b. If b equal to true, then system dot out dot print true. Okay, here you can write println also. Okay, this is and if b is false, then we will not do nothing. Okay, we are omitting the else past here. So if s and s2 will be equal, then it will print true. Let's write the else part also, else it will be more understandable. So I will write here sy system dot out, sorry, false. Okay, so then if b will be true, it will print true, or otherwise false. So it will now print false because both hello is not equal. So if we write this hello small, then both string will be equal, it will print true. Okay, that's fine. Now we will, now still we have changed the first hello as in capital. Now one more interesting function in Java, in a string in Java, is equals ignore case. For code ending, press control plus space, it will, okay, equal ignore case, and we have passed the argument s2. Now it will ignore the uppercase or lowercase of these two string. It will just go through the content, and here hello is equal to hello. Since this case is not equal, but it will ignore the case because we are using the equal ignore case function. So it will true, it will print true, and if we alter any of the string, it will print false. So this way we can use equal and equal ignore case. Now we will use compare to function. Okay, since compare to returns integer value, so we will store the compare to in integer type of variable. So I will use s1 dot compare to s2. Now here compare to function, check the ASCII code of the two strings. Since the hello is in uppercase and second hello is in lowercase, so this ASCII code will be different. So it will return it will return the difference of the ASCII code, that will not be 0, since both string has different ASCII code. So if we will check here, if a is equal 0, means sorry, it should be not here, it should be here, a equal 0. Since a equal be 0, means both string will be equal, then their ASCII code will, difference of their ASCII code will be 0, so it will return true or otherwise false. So right now it will return false. If you run the program, it will return false because both the string has different ASCII code. And now let's change this hello in lowercase. now both the strings has same ASCII code, so difference between these ASCII codes will be 0. Hence a value in a will be also 0, so it will return true. Similarly, in as in ignore equal ignore case, the case was ignored. Similarly, here in compare to, we have a function compare to ignore case. Compare to ignore case will ignore the case and it will just go through the content only. So it will say both string is equal. That's why it has displayed true here. Okay, and this is the equal and ignore compare to functions in string class. Now we will see another string class, that is string function, that is concate, means adding the one string with at the end of another string. So let's write here hello, hi, and give a space here. Okay, now I want to add the hi at the end of this string hello. So I will write here s1, first s1, because we are adding in s1 dot concate s2. So it will add the hi at the end of hello and it will return the string object. So we can store in s1 only, or we can use other string. So let's use another string. So let's declare a new string s3. So now s3 equal to s1 dot s2. So this will add the hi at the end of hello. So now let's print s3. Okay, let's run our program and it says hello space hi. So what happens, hi is added at the end of hello. You can concate these strings in different another way also, like using plus operator, that is used in the println function also to concate two strings. So we can concate the any strings like this way, s1 plus s2. This will also concate the string hello and hi. So we can again print the value of s3 and that will be same again. So it will print hello, hi. If you change the order like s2 plus s1, it will say hi, hello, hi. Since we have not put the any space before hello, so it's so this is the concate function, and this way we can concate the two strings in Java. Now we will see the another very important function in Java, that is substring. Okay, in caret function, what we were doing, we were extracting only one character from the any string. Now if we want to extract the hell from the hello, okay, hell from the hello, then we have to use substring function. So let's write s3 equal to s1 dot substring. Now here we have to pass the first start index. Let's write here only 2. Then if since I have written only one parameter, that is 2, it will start with the 2, that is 0 1. It will not count from 0 because it is not index value, it's place value for the character. So it will start with 1 2. It will start from E, and it since we have not given the upper index or upper limit, so it will stack the from the at the last till the last of the hello. So let's see, it started from after the 2, that is 1 2, and it has printed the LLO. Okay, if we give the if we want to extract HELL, that is hell, so we have to start 0, that is the beginning of B0, that is from H, and it will go through 0 1 2 3. So index value for the L will be last L will be 3, 0 1 2 3, but here we have to write 4 because it will not go up to 4, it will extract less than 4, that is up to 3, so it extracted hell. If you write here 3, like if you count 0 1 2 3, so the index value for this L is 3, but it will always take the substring from less than the upper limit, one less than the upper limit, so it will print only single L. So here we have to write 4. So this way you can extract any substring from the any string. You have to write the beginning index value, beginning index value and last index value, but always mind you, you write the last index value one more than the index value of character up to which you want to extract. Okay, now I will next string function, that is trim. Okay, trim, what does it? Trims the space from at the start or end of the string. So let's write like in high, I have put some space before the high and I have put some space after the high. So let's trim the high. So I will write s3 equal to s2 dot trim. So now run our program. It says high only. If you select this, you can see no spaces get selected. Okay, now put some space between the high H and I. So now run this. You can see here and there is some space between the H and I. So trim function only trims the space from end of the string or from beginning of the string. It will not trim the space inside the any string. So these are the some important string class functions. So string doesn't end here. We have another string buffer class. So we will see the string buffer class in next video.